Next one, protein. What is proteins? Derived from the Greek word protos. The compound composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen atom. Those nitrogen atom gives the name amino. Nitrogen contained to the amino acids the links the chains of proteins. Amino acids are also called building blocks or unit of structure of protein. Structure of amino acids. All amino acids have a carbon known as the alpha carbon with an amino group NH2, an acid group COOH, a hydrogen group H, and a side group attached. This side group is a unique chemical structure that differentiate one amino acid from another. The bonds that form between adjoining amino acids are called peptide bonds. Proteins often contain from 35 to several hundred or more amino acids. Protein fragment with 10 or more amino acids are called polypeptides. Peptide bonds. The bond between two amino acids. In this diagram, you can see the 5 amino acids. The bond between the two amino acids are called peptide bonds. There are two types of amino acids, essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are called as indispensable amino acids because the human body cannot synthesize it. These amino acids must be supplied by the diet only. Non-essential amino acids. Non-essential amino acids are also known as dispensable amino acids because they can be synthesized in the body. Classification of proteins on the basis of physical and chemical properties, on the basis of source. On the basis of physical and chemical properties. Simple protein, conjugated protein, derived protein. Simple protein. They are made up of only one amino acids. Albumin is found in egg, blood, milk. Globulin, milk, blood, potato. Gluten, wheat. Collagen, elastin, keratin. Legumin, gliadin, zein. Conjugated proteins. Simple protein plus a non-protein structure. Lipoproteins, phosphoprotein, glycoprotein. Derived protein. Substance resulting from breakdown of molecules within simple or conjugated protein. Curdled milk and coagulated egg protein. On the basis of source, plant protein and animal protein. Plant protein. Protein derived from the plant source, cereals, pulses, etc. Animal protein. Protein derived from animal source, meat, fish, egg, milk, etc. In this chart, there are two categories of amino acid. One is essential amino acids and their examples. The other one is a non-essential amino acids. These are the examples of essential amino acid: histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, threonine, tryptophan, valine. Non-essential amino acids: alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, proline, serine, tyrosine. These are non-essential amino acids. Food source of protein. Good source. Animal food like meat, fish, egg. In plant food such as pulses, nuts, example soybean contain 40% of proteins. Moderate source of protein. Cereals and millets. Poor source of protein. Roots, tubers, fruits, leafy vegetables. Functions of protein. Growth, maintenance and repair. Energy giving. Regulation of body process. Maintenance of fluid balance. Maintenance of acid-base balance. Deficiency of protein. Kwashiorkor and marasmus. Kwashiorkor is a severe form of malnutrition caused by a deficiency in dietary protein. The extreme lack of protein causes an osmotic imbalance in the gastrointestinal system, causing swelling of the gut, diagnosed as an retention of water. Marasmus is a form of malnutrition categorized by energy deficiency. It can occur in anyone with severe malnutrition but usually occur in children. A child with marasmus looks emaciated, body weight is reduced to less than 62% of the normal expected body weight of the age. Treatment: providing diet rich in protein and energy.